Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Nikita and my husband is Anish. We both are software engineers by profession. Recently, we made a big decision to permanently move to Canada from US for a more stable future. On this channel, I will document what led to this decision and our Canada journey. I will share our tips and lessons learned while we made this big move. We both got our PR in 2019, but at that time we had not decided to permanently move to Canada. We were still thinking if uprooting our established life in Atlanta and moving to Canada will be a good option for us or not. The only problem with staying in US was the instability that comes with H1B visa. Finally, a month ago, we moved to Canada and I'm making this video from my condo in Toronto. We both love to travel. We had shot a lot of travel videos but never released them. So stay tuned for our amazing travel adventures. Let me give you a small sneak peek of what videos are going to come on this channel. We had a really good life and home in Atlanta. We sold everything and moved to Canada with 13 bags. Travel time to Toronto from Atlanta is usually 3 hours. It took us almost 12 hours. I've recorded all these videos and will be releasing them soon. Do follow this channel for tips on moving from US to Canada. Fun fact, we were on a cruise ship during Hurricane Dorian in 2019. We will also be releasing this video soon. We were in Iceland during their hottest winter and somehow we ended up in Arizona during a major snowstorm. We ate shark in Iceland. Do check out our funny reaction in the Iceland video and also check out the Arizona video for amazing views of Grand Canyon covered in snow. Hit the like and subscribe button to stay tuned for the Canada videos.